Hey, it's me, the Frogman, and I'm here to show you how to make this delicious spice. What you will need to make this is thyme, rosemary, garlic powder, sage, celery seed, white pepper, parsley, onion powder, chicken bouillon, and brown sugar. Oh yeah, and a mortar and pestle. You'll get 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, half a teaspoon of sage, 1/4 of a teaspoon of rosemary, 1/4 of a teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 of a teaspoon of parsley, 1/4 of a teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper, and 2 pinches of celery seed. Now you just have to grind it up in your mortar and pestle. I'm gonna skip this. This is gonna take a while. Why are you still here? This isn't really interesting. But as long as you are, could you get me some poison? I'm trying to prank someone with this. Once you've grounded that all up into a fine powder, you can get your jar and use one of those thingies. Here, I'll show you. One of these things. I forgot what they're called. These, and you can put it all in that jar. Time to try some for myself.